In this video, I'm going to show you how to apply for a YouTube TV free trial as a student. If you're looking to enjoy live sports, shows, and events while staying within your budget, this guide will help you get started. Let's dive in. To apply for a YouTube TV free trial as a student, start by visiting tv.youtube.com on your device. Look for the option to sign up for a free trial, typically lasting 7 days, and click Try It Free or a similar button. While YouTube TV doesn't offer a specific student discount, you can still take advantage of the free trial to test the service. During sign-up, choose a plan that suits your needs, such as the base package for sports and entertainment, or add premium channels if desired. Enter your payment details, but remember to cancel before the trial ends to avoid being charged. Share the subscription with roommates or family members to split costs if you decide to continue after the trial. If this video helped you learn how to apply for a YouTube TV free trial as a student, please like and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.